Hello! Today we're going to take a look at the Addon AI Mesh Inspector together. What this add-on basically does is make it easier for you to create a standard, high-quality 3D model. After installing the add-on, go to Edit Preferences, select it, and check the Enable box. You can then view it on the right side panel by pressing in this add-on is compatible with Blender versions 3.6 through 5.2. In the Help section, the usage and scoring process are fully explained, and there's even a PDF included for further guidance. For testing, we've prepared two nearly identical models here. Let's scan the first model, just select it, click the Scan button, and wait a moment. Now, by opening the Report section, we can view the final results for the model. As you can see, this model got a perfect score, and each section has its own individual score, evaluated in detail. Now let's move on to the next model. This one doesn't have PBR textures, it only has a base color texture. Let me show you, you can see it only has base color. Now if we scan it, you'll notice the PBR score for this model has dropped. Now let's make it worse. We'll scale it non-uniformly to break the mesh so it's no longer manifold, and we'll also change the UV map to a non-standard layout. Now let's scan it. Wow, the result is really bad, right? Scale, PBR, Topology, and UV all have issues and got low scores. Now let's fix the problems. Just click on the Details option, and you'll see a button for each section along with helpful guidance text. For example, let's click on the Topology section, and you'll see it shows me exactly where the problem areas are. Let me make it worse again. See, it shows me all the problematic faces so I can fix them. That's the general workflow of using this add-on. An add-on that can help you produce up to 70% higher quality models. I hope you enjoyed it. Goodbye.